seniors think that Social Security and Medicare are the only support that they have. But guys, there are several programs that can help with food, housing, utilities, healthcare, and even transportation. Let's get into it. Guys, I wanted to start out with highlighting the food programs because, as we know, there are a lot of changes going on with the SNAP program, such as work requirements. But also, the Trump administration has stated that states that fail to turn over their recipient roster could get funding withheld. And this could impact millions of people. So let's dive into these programs first. So, guys, the first program that we're going to talk about is the Commodity Supplemental Food Program. This program provides monthly food packages to low income seniors age 60 and older. And the packages include canned fruits, vegetables, grain, dairy, and protein items. And the goal of the program is to help improve nutrition and reduce food insecurity among older adults. My mom used this program religiously. It was set up at her senior center in her community. So I know this is a pretty good program. And guys, how do you apply? You contact your state's distributing agency for further assistance. Now, this program may not be currently in every single state, but your state agency will be able to tell you if it's available where you live. And of course, guys, everything is going to be linked in the video description. The next program that we're going to discuss that can help seniors save money is called the Seniors Farmer Market Nutrition Program. This program provides coupons for fresh fruits, vegetables, honey, and herbs. And you can use the coupons at farmers markets, roadside stand, and community farms. Approved seniors either get paper vouchers or a benefit card, and the benefits are usually $30 to $50 per year, redeemable at certified farmers market. So, guys, I do want to stress that this is an annual program. It's not a monthly benefit like the food commodity program. And this program is usually active around harvest season. But go ahead and check now to see if your state has this program. And of course, the link is going to be below because you have to visit that page for a directory of participating states and read the eligibility guidelines and complete an application. Now, the final nutrition program that we're going to discuss is called the Medicare Flex Card. So, if you're enrolled in a Medicare Advantage Plan, Part C, you may qualify for this card. It's provided by certain private insurers, not the federal government, guys. And it can be used like a food allowance card for seniors. It also may help cover expenses such as utilities, transportation to medical visits, and other approved costs. Keep in mind that not every Medicare Advantage plan includes a flex card benefit, but if you currently have Medicare Advantage, contact your insurance provider to find out if they issue Medicare Flex cards. So let's talk prescription assistance. Another program that can help seniors save money is called the Medicare Part D Low Income Subsidy or the Extra Help Program. What this program does, guys, it lowers or eliminates Part D premiums, deductibles, and co-pays for eligible people. Now, at this time, it's not available in Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Guam, the Northern Mariana Islands, or the American Samoa, but there are other programs available in those areas to help people with limited income and resources. And again, you apply online through the Social Security Administration, and you can call the number on the screen, 1-800-772-1213, and of course, it's going to be linked in the description. Now, let's talk about energy and utility assistance, and more specifically, the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, or Liheap. Liheap helps households with heating, cooling, utility bills, emergency shutoff prevention, and weatherization for the home. It remains, guys, a nationwide program, but it's administered locally and federally funded. Now, there was a big to do about Liheap because funds were delayed due to the government shutdown, but they have now been distributed to the states. So to find your local office, you can just find the state, territory, or tribe that runs the program. And you can also go to the Liheap State Contact Directory, which is going to be linked below. So let's talk affordable housing support for seniors. The programs that exist for seniors include public housing for seniors, project-based rental assistance, senior apartments, Section 8 vouchers with senior priority, low-income housing tax credit, affordable senior apartments, USDA rural senior housing, Section 515, nonprofit senior housing, such as Catholic Charities and the VOA, and Area Agency on Aging referral services. But here's the thing, guys. I'm going to be very honest with you. I hesitated about listing these because the need is so great, which can make the waiting list very long. They are alternatives to Section 202 housing, which is the gold standard, because Section 202 provided services like meals, housekeeping, and transportation. But that program is all but gone, right? But I want to be very honest, the programs that I just listed, they are designed specifically for seniors and they can be life-changing, but the demand is extremely high and the waiting list can still stretch for a very long time. I just didn't want to leave them out because they do exist and they do help thousands of seniors every year. But just know if you apply, know that patience and persistence are part of the process. So the next program that can help seniors save money is called the Medicaid PACE program, and it stands for Program of All Inclusive Care for the Elderly. Guys, this program is designed to help older adults who qualify for nursing home care stay safely in their homes or communities while receiving comprehensive medical and supportive services. So here's a breakdown of the eligibility. You must be 55 years or older, live in a PACE service area, be eligible for nursing home care based on your state's criteria, and be able to live safely in the community with PACE support. And of course, guys, I will link more information in the video description. So let's talk safe, affordable, and accessible transportation. Guys, here are the top 5 transportation resources. So you can find rides at the Accessible Transportation Resource Center, the Elder Care Locator. Just look for transportation where you can find local senior shuttles, paratransit, and volunteer driver programs. The ADA paratransit door to door, that is going to be with your transit system and it's for seniors who can't use regular buses. And the Medicaid non-emergency medical transportation, where you get free rides to doctor visits, therapies, and pharmacy trips. And this is for seniors with Medicaid. And Go Grandparent. And with Go Grandparent, it's a ride service for seniors without smartphones, and it connects to Uber and Lyft. So if you visit usa.gov/legal aid, you can find a lot of legal and consumer protection programs. Guys, you'll find Legal Services Corporation, where you can find legal aid in your community for people with low incomes. There's lawhelp.org, and this is free legal aid near you, and you can get answers to your legal questions. These services are for people with low to moderate incomes. You can find the Director of Law School pro bono programs in your area. You can get Law Help Interactive, and this program helps you fill out legal forms for free, such as those dealing with uncontested divorce, identity theft, landlord tenant disputes. And the American Bar Association has free legal answers, where this site lets people with low incomes ask questions online and have a lawyer answer them. But now they will not answer questions involving crimes. And I think these are some great resources. One of the things that's happening a lot now, besides identity theft, it's landlord tenant disputes, because people are just moving into people's home and they're squatting in them, guys. So please take advantage of this website if you have any legal questions. Another way that seniors can save money is through the elderly or disabled tax credit. And this is a special tax credit that can help seniors or people with certain disabilities reduce the amount of federal income tax they owe. So think of it as a tax break for those who may have limited income due to age or disability. You can qualify if you're age 65 or older, or under 65, but permanently and totally disabled. And you must have earned income or certain taxable income below a certain limit. And you must be a U.S. citizen or resident. So, what this tax does is lowers your federal income tax, and the amount depends on your income and filing status. You don't get a cash check for the full credit if it's more than your taxes, but it does reduce what you owe to the IRS. So, guys, please check the video description for the link and find out about the elderly or disabled tax credit. So, guys, the final program that we're going to talk about that helps seniors save money is free tax services for seniors. I know so many seniors that get free tax services every year. Now, there are several programs. I'm only going to list three, and they are the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. And this program is run by the Internal Revenue Service. It offers free tax return preparation for people who meet certain criteria, including seniors, people with disabilities, and those with low to moderate income. Then there's the tax counseling for the elderly, and this is also IRS sponsored, and it focuses on adults age 60 and older, and is especially helpful for those with retirement income, pensions, or other senior specific tax situation. And there's AARP Foundation Tax Aid. Guys, this is the largest free volunteer based tax assistance program in the United States. It's age friendly, focuses on older adults, though age is not strictly required, and helps low to moderate income individuals. Volunteers are IRS certified, and there's no fee or membership needed. Okay, guys, that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And check out the video description for all the links that are listed in today's video. And above all, guys, please protect your peace and your mental health at all costs and by any means necessary. Take care, guys.